Well, sorry, boss. I can't make the plane to Acapulco to do the swimsuit model spread, but I'm socked in with snow. Really, it's not an excuse, honest. Imagine waking up one morning to find this. It's snow, not even snow. I got trees growing out of my windshield. What more can an American man ask for? Okay, this is my neighborhood. 2129 West Cortez, Chicago, Illinois. And it's Chicago's first blizzard since 1999. I've been here since 2000, and I had to wait 10 years for a blizzard in my neighborhood. So there you have it. And that is my crib right there. And it's coming down pretty good. The weather outside is frightful, but I am so delightful, walking in my winter underwear. Walking in my winter underwear. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Yeah, that's me. And that is my trusty Olympus OM2. I've been outside taking pictures. This is pretty awesome. I love the snow. Tomorrow it is going to be 4 below zero with wind chill to minus 25. Eat your hearts out. Okay, and this is Richard Knaus signing off in Chicago. It's Groundhog's Day, February 2nd, 2011. I don't even think the groundhog is going to come out. He's too damn smart. Ciao, baby.